Okay, today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions. And I just threw in this picture to take a look at all the different types of fractions that we could have. So like the first one is 1/2, then we have 1/4, then we have 1/3. And all of those are different and cannot be put together because they're not all the same equal parts. Okay, so we have these two pictures, and they're not going the same direction, but they're both the same rectangle, and they're both rectangles that are split into 6 parts. So each rectangle has 6 little squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And on this first one, 2 of the 6 are shaded, and on the second one, 3 of the 6 are shaded. So if I would make a whole one where I was combining the two fractions, I would have the 2 from the first one, and then the second one would have 3, and so that would show that there are 5/6. So how we get that fraction without looking at the pictures is we look at the fractions that are given, and we look at the numerators. This one's 2, and this one's 3. So 2 plus 3 gives me 5. And when we're adding and subtracting fractions, remember we need the same denominator. So because they were both 6's, I could add those numerators. And because the denominator is 6, the denominator in my final fraction is 6. So 2/6 plus 3/6 is 5/6. Okay, so let's quickly add these ones. 1/3 plus 1/3. They both have the same denominator, so the answer is going to have a third in the denominator spot, and when we add the numerators, we get 2. Second example. Both have the same denominator, so the denominator is going to be 6, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Hopefully you're looking at that third example and you're saying, 2 and 3 aren't the same denominator, so right now we don't know how to solve this, so there's no answer. We will be learning how to solve this in the future.